Hi there. Do you ever wonder how long you have to write to get the best possible mark in your exam? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to try and work it out for you and let you know. This is a crucial question that students have that's mostly answered by waffle and avoidance by your lecturers. Why don't we just tell you how much we want? Because we don't really know. Because there's a lot of flexibility in answering an exam paper. We can't really tell you for sure that you need 2, 3, 5, or 6 pages. It also depends on your writing style, the fonts you use, never mind handwriting, which can make things very, very different. But I do understand that this is a significant question for you that really changes how you're preparing for your exam. I'm going to try and work it out for you then and see what we can come up with. Let's consider an exam in the following setting. You're trying to deal with an exam that's going to last for 1 hour. You start with 10 minutes writing time, 45 minutes writing time, and then an extra 5 minutes to upload your answer. Imagine that this is an invigilated exam, so you're using some sort of proctoring software, which means that you're limited to what you can do on your computer right there and then. No copy pasting, no asking ChatGPT for resources. I'm giving you as an example a question containing 2 parts from English company law. One part is a traditional practice-based scenario, and the second part is an essay type question. You will have to answer both of these parts in order to get full marks for your answer. You can find a copy for the question and my sample answer to this question on the link down in the description. If you need to read the question that you now see on the screen, just press the pause button, go through the question, and then come back to the video. So well done, you got your question, but how much are you going to write and how much can you possibly write? My sample answer to this question was in the region of 1,000 words. So if you were about to produce 1,000 words in a typed document, how long would that take you? The average person types about 40 words per minute. This assumes, however, that you know exactly what you're doing. You've got your plan already, everything's in your head, you're ready to go. You don't hesitate, you don't think, you don't come back and make corrections. This isn't really the environment in which you're going to be taking your exam. Even if you know what you're doing and you're super confident and you don't need to make a great deal of amendment, you still are going to take a little bit more than the average person just typing through. So I'm thinking half an hour is probably a more realistic target for you to write 1,000 words. Think about it this way, therefore. If you've got 45 minutes of writing, get some thinking time, some planning time, some opportunity to make changes and corrections, you're probably going to have to spend 30, perhaps 35 minutes in typing 1,000 words. How many pages is that going to be? If you're using Times New Roman size, say 12, which is a standard font, and you're doing spacing 1.5, you're looking at about 3 pages of text. What happens if you were handwriting instead? Handwriting tends to be a bit bigger. There's a lot more flexibility. People have got different styles. You would probably translate 3 pages of typed text into 4 or 5 pages of handwritten text. The exams that I've marked so far that were handwritten, the ones that got really good marks at distinction level, they tended to be about 6 pages. Remember, these were handwritten exams. Here's your answer, therefore. How much can you write if you got a 1-hour exam that allows you for 45 minutes writing time? I think if you're aiming to be in the region of 1,000 words, you will have enough time to do this. And within those 1,000 words, you will have the opportunity to actually properly address your question. Now, your examiners are going to know those constraints. This is a time-limited, closed book, invigilated exam. They will not expect you to write 5,000 words. They know what's coming. Keep that in mind. Half an hour of clean writing time, about 1,000 words typed on your computer, about 3 pages overall. Hopefully, this answers your question and sets you on a good trajectory for your exam. Let me know how you're getting on down in the comments and look at the resources linked around this video for more useful tips and tricks to make you succeed in your exam. Thank you and see you soon.